Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today we're going to go ahead and get into some nail supplies recently purchased from SHEIN. Yeah, SHEIN. We haven't done anything from SHEIN in a while. So if you're interested in things like that, make sure you go ahead and first subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notifications, share this video with someone, and leave me a comment. Okay, so let's get right into it. You see this big gold bottle that's like wider than my face? I got gold flakes. Yes, gold flakes. And I'll show you a close-up of those in a moment here. But look at that. I don't need gold flakes for a while. So I know they had gold flakes, they had bronze flakes, and they had silver flakes. So I think I'm going to get all three, but I want to get this at, first. I mean, this is huge, okay? I needed to get me some more nail charms. Okay, so as you can see, they come in this little container right here. Nice. So we have lots of little things in there. I know seashells, seahorses, starfish. Yes, and these are all gold. Pigment powders. And I believe we have some iridescent colors up in here, but I wanted to get all different color pigment powders. We have some pastel colors here, some blues, I have a green, we have yellow. This one right here looks like a white, but I'm sure that's iridescent. Purple, orange. And as you can see, they're all in separate containers here. Chrome powders. I had to get some chrome. This would have helped when I did my 3D nails. This is really what I was going for when I was trying to do the little seashell. But you know what? Now I have them, so. Ooh, y'all. I cannot wait to try this. 6 different shades of chrome powders. Okay, I need some other charms here. And these charms is a whole bunch of silver, different varieties of crosses. Nice, huh? I'll open that up so you guys can get a better look at that. More gold charms. We have the moon, stars, lots and lots of different charms in there. Let me know, have any of you purchased any nail charms or nail supplies from SHEIN yet? Yeah, so there's lots in there. I wanted to get some rhinestones just to see what the rhinestones were like. I have not purchased any, and they have many different vendors on SHEIN, so I'm sure all the rhinestones are not all the same. Some may be shinier than others, but this is what I got so far. I just want to get a start. These are like a royal blue color. Different sizes, different shapes. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 different compartments in here to hold them in. Oh, they're even. They even have the numbers on them. So I'll be using these, of course. Oh, I wanted to get more nail charms, and this one has roses in it. Roses and pearls, I believe. These are pretty. Ooh. Yeah, so these are like iridescent, clear charms. I think there's even caviar beads in here. Yes, there are silver caviar beads in here. And then we have roses, pearls, and looks like rhinestones all in there. That is pretty. That is pretty. Okay. I wanted to get some more nail charms here, and you know, this has a nice variety of gold, but we have some colorful charms in here too. Let me see. I'll take a few out. Oh, this is like a bow. I think that's what that is. In that globe. So yeah, I want to get some more nail charms because yes, we are doing nails on this channel as well as hair. So if you haven't subscribed, you might want to go ahead and do that. So you get a nice little variety. And what is this? This came in a cute lavender. Oh, so this is a set of, let's see, this is the non-stick gel, and I had to get that. If you are doing 3D art, you want these. Okay, so I have 6 different colors. Look at that. So it's labeled as non-stick hand nail extension gel. That's what they look like. So anyway, that's what I got as far as nail supplies from SHEIN. Let me know if you get any of your nail supplies from SHEIN. This didn't even take me a full week to get. This came actually fast. I was expect to wait like, you know, at least 15 business days, but this came really, really fast. So anyway, that's what I got. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this with someone. And once you subscribe, come back, okay? Come back to the channel. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.